You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce it. If you want to learn more pronunciations of confusing names like this one and variants of this name too, which is very interesting, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Kathlyn, that's English pronunciation. British English or American English are pretty similar here. Kathlyn, stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce Kathlyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.